Hello my friends, today I will show you how you can create your first Ethereum blockchain smart contract in Solidity. So for that I opened my Chrome browser and I will go to remixethereum.org. It's an online IDE to write Solidity code. As you can see we have the IDE and here we have the terminal. So what I'm going to do is first let me tell you how you can use Remix. So for that, in the first tab we have File Explorer. So from here you can simply create your folder and Solidity file, and you can also connect to GitHub. That's how you can also push the changes to your Git repo. And the next step is Solidity compiler. From here you can simply compile your contract, and then the next step is deploy and run transaction. From here you can simply deploy your contract and run your transactions. So first thing is I will go to File Explorer, and inside the contracts folder here we will write our whole contract code. So I will create a new file and let me call it first contract, just like this. Let me zoom it, just like this, and this ID will auto detect that we are using Solidity. So here you can see .sol stands for Solidity, just like this. And first we need to tell Solidity which version of Solidity we are going to use in here. So for that we can simply write pragma Solidity, then the version. So as you can see I have bunch of files here. You also have, I think. So I will go to one of that file and I will copy the version and I will cut this and I will paste that version here. You can simply search on Google, or if you know, you can simply write there. So, or you can also do like me. So and the next step is how we can create a contract. To create a contract we can simply write contract, then the name of the contract. In our case it will be first contract. You can name it whatever you want. Then the curly brackets, we will write our whole contract code inside this curly brackets. So first, let's say I have an idea. What about creating a contract which deposit the tokens and withdraw it, and you can check your balance, how much tokens you have. So for that we will create a integer. So to create an integer, first we need to tell Solidity which data type of variable we are going to use. So we will, in our case it will be integer, and let's name it balance to get the user balance, just like this. Then after it we will create a function to like deposit the balance. So for that we can simply write function, then deposit, just like just like this. And after your function name you need to have the rounded brackets. You can make it blank, or you can only have a you can also have a argument if you want any argument, or you can simply leave it blank. In our case we will gonna to use the argument to get the amount of the user. For that we can simply create an integer. So because the type of the amount will be integer, it cannot be string. That's right, integer amount, let's call it amount. Then after it will be public. So what do I mean by public? Public means we can use this contract outside of the code as well. So just like that, and curly brackets, inside the curly brackets we will say balance is equal to balance and plus with the amount, means it will plus the balance with the amount. So first what we'll do is I will assign a value to the balance of 0. That's how it will like count plus the amount as well with 0. So for that balance is equal to 0, just like this. Then the next thing is how we can create like a function which gets the user balance. So for that we can simply write function get balance, then rounded brackets, rounded brackets, just like this. And here we're not going to assign any argument here, and but it will be public, and we need to show the user data. So for that we can simply write view returns, it will return a integer only, so returns integer, just like this. Then curly brackets, then we can simply say return balance, just like this. Then we will also create a function to deposit the balance. So first let's deploy and see is it working or not. We have one warning, just ignore that. Let's deploy it. Let me deploy. Here we go, here is it. So here you can see we have this input field where we can input where we can write our amount, how much tokens we want, and let's say for now 500. And if I click on deposit, here you can see it's successfully deposit. Then if I click on get balance, you can see we have 500. Okay, and just like that. And the next step is how to create a function which withdraw the balance. So for that we can simply say function, then withdraw, then it will take a parameter of amount, then it will be public, then curly brackets, then balance is equal to balance, then minus with the amount, just like this. And if I save it and let's compile it, just like this. And let me cut this and let me deploy it once again. Here you can see we have one more button, sorry, one more input field and button to withdraw it. So let's deposit first 5000 tokens. Deposit, it successfully deposit. Let's get balance. Okay, we have 5000. So let's withdraw 1000 tokens. Withdrawal, get balance 4000. Here we go. But how we can see how it will work in real life? So for that you need to change your environment to JavaScript to inject web3. Okay, yeah, and let me compile it once again. Let it compile, deploy, it successfully deploy. And when you will click on deploy, the MetaMask notification will pop up. So I will confirm it, just like this. And it's running pending. Our contract is in pending, and now it's successfully created. Here you can also see, and you can also see on Etherscan by clicking on this view on Etherscan. I will open it in my new tab, just like this. And this is real. You can also see your contract details in Etherscan. Okay, and so for now let me cut this, and if I pull it down, let's deposit 500, and once again 500 tokens, and once again the MetaMask notification will pop up. Let me deposit it. One, here we go, here we have. So let's confirm it, just like this. It's confirmed. Here you can also see it's in Etherscan as well. So let's get balance 0, because we not clicked at this deposit. So let me deposit once again, confirm, get balance. It will, here you can see we have 500 now. Here we go, and let's withdraw 100 tokens. Withdrawal, yeah, the MetaMask notification will pop up. Let's confirm it, get balance 1000. Why we have 1000? Did you know we deposit once again and we deposit 500 two times? That's why. Withdraw, get balance, just like that. And let me confirm it. Just a minute, it will take some time to load. Here you can see it's 900. Boom, here we go. So this is how you can simply create your first contract in Ethereum blockchain and Solidity. Yeah, if you like this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button below, and make that bell icon to all. That's how you can get my notifications if I upload any new video. So see you in next one. Thank you for watching.